Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, steak and eggs. We're gonna make some breakfast potatoes with jalapeno also. That's coming up next on Cooking with Corey. Let's get that Blackstone. All right everyone, here's our cast of characters today. We got some aged cheddar that I just shaved up there. A couple eggs, salt, pepper, garlic, green onion for a little bit of garnish, some butter, some Bayou Bear to add a little flavor. I got a jalapeno back here, and I think it's called a Cajun Bell. They're kind of sweet and hot. Half of a small white onion, one big Yukon Gold potato, and a ribeye steak. All right, let's get cooking. While our Blackstone's heating up over there, salt, pepper, garlic, your steak. Pretty good dose of it on there. I use kosher salt. You can use sea salt. Really doesn't matter. As long as you get some seasoning on your steak, like so. Don't be shy. You want to make a nice good crust on that, and that's good flavor for later. That's good. Get around your sides a little bit. All right, he's ready to go. All right, time to get started. We're going to start with our potatoes. We're going to put some good old canola oil, I think is what I got today. I'm using on there. Decent amount on the grill. Blackstone griddle, a little bit of butter. Whoop, got a runner. And we'll add our potatoes on top of that. Our one Yukon Gold potato. I'm going to separate it out there so they get some good coverage on your Blackstone there, like so. A little hot. We're going to turn down the heat just a little bit, and we're going to season them up. A little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, and just a little bit of our Bayou Bear seasoning that I got from Smoking Bears. That'll go on there. We'll hit them up with a little bit of, well, actually all of our onions. Let's get it all on there. Yeah, get it all on there. We will wait to add these peppers for a little bit so they just don't burn to a crisp, but we will add those here in a little bit. That's where we're going to start off this cook. Like so, get them all separated, get some good color on them. Alright, we'll do some other stuff next. Alright, we've given our potatoes about, I'd say a good 3 to 5 minute head start. So now we got our ribeye steak that we need to get on and get it going and get her cooked. So over here, go around a little bit, get a ribeye steak on there. Nice sizzle to begin that cook right there. Alright, now we're just cooking. We're cooking a steak, we're cooking some potatoes. We've been rolling on another 5 minutes here into our cook here. We got our potatoes going over here. Give those a little flip around and see what we're doing there. We're getting some color on those, starting to get some good color on them. Some not so much, because I got this burner off over here and I'm only going through over here. So we're going to move these in a little bit. Try to get a little bit more color on those. Separate it out. All good. Doing well. Liking it. Our steak over here. Our delicious ribeye steak. We need to do a little flipperoo on him. Get some good color on him. You can see. We'll put them a little closer over to the potatoes. You never want to flip steak, put it right where you had it because that's a little cooled down. We move it over a little bit, it's a little hotter. Works better for your sear. Alright, potatoes, everything working. While we're at it, let's add our Cajun Bell and our jalapenos to this. Maybe get her on there. That all started. Steak won't be much longer. We'll pull him off. And we do need to season the other side of the potatoes, so we'll give them another click of salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit more of our Bayou Bear that we got from Lee over there at Smoking Bears. A little bit more on that, and we cook on. Still cooking away on our Blackstone here. Our steak is ready. Put on there another 4 minutes, and he needs to come off and rest. So we're going to take him off. Let him rest. Color on him. We're going to take him, plate him, cover him, set him over here, let him rest. We're going to let those potatoes go just a little bit longer, while he's resting, we'll throw some eggs on there. We'll plate here before long. It ain't gonna be long, but we do have to flip these and get some more color on them. All right, it's been about 3 minutes after taking our steak off, our potatoes, and we separate them out, trying to get some good color on them. We got our peppers on there, got our onions on there, got our seasoning on there. Just give them a flip, see where we're at. And now we're looking good. Looking really good. Great looking potatoes. You can see the seasoning in that Bayou Bears coming out of there, and it's creating some deliciousness on there, as you can see. Take a look at that. Can you see that? Heck yes. That's goodness right there. Looking really good. Take those for now and move those to the side. And we'll cheese them up here when we get our eggs going. Okay, change of plans. We're gonna do our delicious potatoes first. Let's get those cheesed up. I think that would be the best course of action right here. So we're gonna throw our cheese on these. This is I call it cheddar. This is a smoked cheddar also, so it's an aged smoked cheddar. Get a decent amount on there, like so. And of course, we're gonna give it the great old Busch Light steam off here. Give it a minute, we'll be back. Okay, it's time for the great unveiling of our delicious potatoes. You see how they look? Oh, cheesy deliciousness right there, I'm here to tell you. All right, let's bring in our serving vessel. Got this nice cast iron serving vessel. Get our potatoes in there. In the bottom of it, like so. Oh yeah, around there. Don't forget any. Down there, nice in the bottom of there. All right. There's our cheesy, delicious jalapeno potatoes. All right, let's move them over here to the side. I'm gonna clean this grill off. We'll do some eggs. We'll get over there and plate. All right, everybody ready to cook some over easy eggs? That's the way I like them, so that's the way we're gonna do them. Do them any way you want, but that's the way I go about it. That's the way I'm gonna go about it today. So, turn my burners down, medium low, because we don't want this to be cracking hot, because you don't want to get a lot of brown on your eggs when you do them. So, look at that. Oh, he's gonna fall over. All right. And you want a nice thin spatula. Look at that one. Here, let me show you a Blackstone one compared to this. Can you see the difference there? See how much thicker this Blackstone is compared to that? It's going to give you a better chance of not screwing up your over easy egg. I'm not going to say I'm not going to screw it up. I might screw them both up. We're going to find out. We're only going to do 2. If I mess them up, I mess them up. I'm not worried about it. All right, we got that. There's one, and we already broke the yolk in that. Here's our other. Season them up. Salt, pepper, garlic. Like so. Try to bring them together here. Separate them out if we can, just a little. That one right there, he's already done dealing. We already know that. We already broke the yolk when we popped him open. We got a chance with this guy right here. We'll see what happens. All right, so once we start coming up through the yolk, or through the white part of the egg, and it starts coming through with color there, that's when you want to give him a flipperoo, as GT would say over there. So right here, let's get this guy nice, easy over like that. That's what we're looking for. Other side needs a little bit of seasoning, so just give it a little bit on the other side. We got our potatoes here, keeping them warm. Steaks over there sliced up. Gonna pull these off right now. Let's go plate. All right, time to plate this steak and egg. So I'm gonna reach across here, grab our cast iron. Come on. Look at those. Cheesy potatoes. Oh, with jalapeno. Looking so divine. All right, let's add some of our steak. Look at that, nice, juicy, choice ribeye steak that can go on there. Just pile it high, just don't be shy. That's the way I go about it. So here we go. Let's get her on there. Cross, cross. And just put them there. All right, that's looking good. I'm telling you what. Woo, woo, woo. Right, got egg. Got the one that we broke. He's right there. We got the one that we didn't break. He's right there. Just put him on top. All right. Let's throw some nice, delicious green onion for garnish on there. Actually, a lot, because I added a little bit of flavor to it. There we got it. I'll tell you what, I'm going to take a couple fancy little pictures of this, and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test. All right, just dig in. Before we dig in, we're going to give it another little shake of some Bayou Bear over the top. For my buddy Lee over there at Smoking Bears. All right, goes in, looking good. All right, let's go in. We got here, look at that nice runny yolk. Oh, don't get better than that, does it? Oh, got a nice piece of steak that popped out for us there. All right, get some egg. Some of those delicious potatoes we worked hard on. Got good color on them. And piece of nice mid-rare steak. Look at that. All right, all right. Oh yeah. Breakfast of champions there, people. Or supper, or lunch, or I'm gonna eat some more because it's so good. Or whatever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. It'll be much appreciated. We should be back on schedule. We'll see you next week. We'll be doing a fatty collab with a whole bunch of great channels. And I'm setting up another collab with some other, actually, a lot of great gals. It'll be like one of those, I don't know, unwrapped bowl things. And we're going to do that together with them. It should be fun. What is it? Egg roll in a bowl? Yeah, yeah. So we're going to get that set up too. That'll be down the road. Once again, thank you. Thanks for your patience. I know I haven't posted a lot in the past few weeks. We should be back on track. Thanks again.